Hello, welcome to Anglè sans redi. Pa bliye, depi ou tombe sou channel sa ou la kayo. Let's jump! Please, s'il vous plaît, t'en prie. Thank you, merci. You are welcome. Bienvenue. What are you doing? Qui ça va faire? Wait for me. Attends-moi. It's late. Lita. It's getting late. Li commence ap tard. I want to go. Mwen vle ale. I will go. Mwen pral ale. Say yes. Di oui. It's good. Li bon. It's bad. Li pa bon. It's a good idea. Li se yon bon ide. Don't say that. Pa di sa. I want. Mwen vle. I don't want. Mwen pa vle. I need you. Mwen bezwen ou. I told you. Mwen te di ou. Say thank you. Di merci. I agree. Mwen d'accord. Wait a moment. Turn your moment. What do you say? Ki sa ou di? What did you say? Ki sa ou te di? I am sick. Mwen malade. I don't feel well. Mwen pa senti bien. Can I say something? Eske mwen ka di yon bagay? I am hungry. Mwen gran gou. I'm thirsty. Mwen soif. I'm tired. Mwen fatigué. It's late. Li tro tard. I want to see you. Mwen vle wè ou. You can do it. Ou ka fè li. Where is it? Kote li ye. I don't see it. Mwen pa wè li.